Hello and welcome back to Grandpa's channel. Hey, today I'm going to be installing a screen protector. Smart Devil was nice enough to send one over for us to install on a Samsung phone. But one of the biggest problems that I find being 70 years old, my hands don't bend as well. So not only did I need a very good screen protector, one that was scratch resistant and self-healing, but at the same time I needed one that was easy to install, because trying to hold that in my hands and move it back and forth and put it over the screen and get it exact right is a problem for me. So I'm going to show you this particular one. This one really takes the cake because it makes the installation so easy. Let's get into it right now. Well, what's nice about this particular kit, it comes with everything you need. It comes with 3 screen protectors, 3 kits to clean your screen and prepare it for use. Very simple to use. Of course, the first thing, of course, you're going to need to do, and what makes this, is to clean the screen. Now, I've already actually turned the phone off and cleaned the screen a little bit with the screen cleaner, just to give it an extra clean. But then I'm going to take the actual wet pad and I'm going to wipe it. You want to try to get that screen really as clean, because whatever you don't get off that screen will be underneath it. Okay, give it a good job. I try then, once I've wiped it down, just flip it over and try to move all the schmutz in one direction. And once you've done that, take your cleaning cloth, your polishing cloth, again, move in one direction. Why? You're attempting to move anything that's on there off the screen. When you do a circle, you're going to leave something on there. Now, just in case you happen to leave any dust on there, you have dusting stickers, and basically that's a sticky surface that makes sure that no dust got onto the unit. And you're just going to basically, because it's sticky, exactly that. If you see any dust on here, you want to wipe it off. Once your screen is completely clean, you look at it, make sure there's nothing on it. Just follow it. You notice where the camera is, that's your top. And what you're just going to simply do is place the unit over it. See? Make sure you've got it completely positioned exactly how it is. I'm going to flip it this way, and then we're going to need to pull this. And what this does, it eliminates all the problems you had with it. As you can see now, it's starting to settle onto the screen. You've done a great job. You're not going to have any bubbles. And just let it sit for 10 seconds. Again, we're waiting the full 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one of the things it does tell you is not to touch the screen while the air bubble removal is in process, so that the self-healing screen can do that. And you may ask, what is a self-healing screen? Basically, it's a screen that because of its material and the way it's made, it can actually go in here and do that. We'll let that sit for a second, just basically settle, making sure that there are no more air bubbles in here. We're going to wait about 30 seconds and come back. Okay, we've waited a designated time, and if you look here, I'm going to show you, this is the actual will come out. You'll be pulling this out, and that'll pull out from underneath the actual screen protector. allowing it to make perfect contact with the screen. And one of the reasons I like this one in particular is because it has the frame. It holds the screen protector in place exactly where it needs to be, so that I don't have to worry about trying to hold it and move it. One of the things, this is my old screen protector, and that was a real challenge. And as you can see, my old screen protector cracked, but that was a different brand. This one, highly rated. Let me remove this piece here. And then what we need to do is to remove the top. And as you can see, that was all that was needed to do. You can see how beautiful this looks. How nice, clean, no air bubbles. And the nice thing about this is, of course, it is scratch resistant. I have right here a screwdriver. I'm going to get across the screen. Let's just power it up. We're getting a little bit of refraction on the screen. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. So while that's coming up, you can, again, your kit just basically includes a mount to go over it. It includes 2 screen protectors, and it includes 3 kits. All in all, making this very easy. And yeah, I wanted you to see that what you're seeing on the screen is not that. But beautiful system, easy to install, very protective on the screen, and it makes all the difference, because if it's going to cost you a lot of money to protect if something happened, as you can see here on this old screen protector, the screen protector from it broke, and as you can see why you need to have a screen protector on your unit. This particular screen protector protected my screen, but it didn't. But it broke, as you can see. This one is better rated and will do a better job. Hope this information has been helpful for you. Have a great day. So let's bring this to a close. The bottom line, of course, is the Smart Double Quick Installation Protector Kit. Number 1, the screen protector is scratch resistant, self-healing, easy to install. The next thing about it, of course, it is dust resistant. It's not going to attract dust. Not going to be, it tends to reject things getting stuck to it. The other thing, of course, as I said, like I said, I'm 70 years old, and my hands, I have a hard time holding things. And even for the average person, when you're trying to install a screen protector on there, even after you've cleaned the screen and you're trying to lower that screen protector just into place, it's a real challenge. Where here, you just simply put the screen protector into the case, drop the case onto your phone, pull on the tab, let it self-heal, let it sit for a minute, pull off the second tab, and you're good to go. I hope this information has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please hit the like button. It does get this out there to the rest of the people. And put it in the comments. Did you buy this? Did you like it? I'm going to leave you the link on Amazon where you can find this. Please use the link if you do decide to purchase it. Have a great day. Check out my other videos.